Hey guys, Joe from Vinyl Fox. We got an exciting new product for the 2024 and up Ford Ranger Raptor, the Grille overlay vinyl kit. This vinyl kit is DIY friendly. It is designed for anyone to be able to install this in a driveway, a parking lot, your garage. It comes with everything you need in the kit, from the microfiber to clean and prep the surface, the application and cleaning solution, as well as a squeegee for applying the vinyl. It is available in multiple colors, camo patterns, or even some patriotic designs with the stars and stripes. This kit is available now on the website. Visit vinylfoxusa.com and pick up yours. We're going to go over step by step exactly how to install it, so follow along. All right, so the first step of the process, we're going to take our microfiber rag and our slip and tack, hit our surface and give it a good wipe down. This just releases any contaminants, debris, bugs, all that good stuff. It's always best to start with a freshly cleaned vehicle, but if it's not, no worries. This should prep the surface just fine. And once that's good to go, we're going to go over to the table and peel off the first letter, which in this case, we're going to start with the F. So we're going to hit this. This is a wet install with a air egress vinyl, which means bubble free. We're going to hit the back of the letter as well. Grab your card. I'm going to put it in my pocket here. We'll set our microfiber within reach. You're not going to over wet this, so keep it wet. That's what enables you to kind of slip it into place. This is a very, very precise kit. And the best way to know if it's in position is to rub your finger along the edge after you get into a place where you think it looks good, and just rub all around the edges. If it lifts back the vinyl, probably need to adjust its position, but we got it in place. We're going to take our squeegee and we're going to use the felt side. One side's just plastic, one side is felt covered, and we're going to start by holding here on the far end of the F, and we're just going to gently come across the surface like this, and then we're going to do the same to the next line. Lay that down like that, and then should be able to just press out the far left thick part of the F. Pull that up this way, and that's it. It's really that simple. The process really couldn't be any easier than this. So we're going to move on to the next letter and get it done. All right, on to the next letter. We're just going to spray the surface of the grill. Come over to our vinyl, peel it back. Be careful when you're peeling it off. You can tear it. It should release just fine, but just be mindful that you can tear the vinyl. We're going to grab this, and what I like to do on this letter is actually use the center part of the O, the knocked out portion, and kind of line this up to it. If you wait too long between spraying and going to it, just give it another mist. You're not going to overspray this stuff. Get it wet. That's what lets it slip around until you want it to lock down. So we're just lining it up. Should slip around, as you can see, and then do our test. Make sure everything is in place. Grab our squeegee, hold down the vinyl, and pull to the opposite direction. Same thing down here. And then this, you can just pull this part away from where your finger is. Same thing here. And repeating the same steps, we're going to hit our surface, come over to the vinyl, release it, give it a quick spritz, get that wet, and we're going to use the same method that we did on the O. We're going to do around the inside of the R. Just kind of use that as our starting point. Just kind of press it out with our fingers first, gently, because it'll shift on you. No worries. Do our rub test. Good. Good. Starting from one side, gently, and just increase the pressure as you go. Sweet. All right, we're going to knock out this last letter. Hit the surface. Peel our vinyl, wet the back of the vinyl. Same thing, hover it around the inside, kind of get it lined up. We're using this white vinyl for video purposes so it shows up well on camera. Obviously, the white looks cool, but may not be applicable for you. One of the other designs will be. Same thing as before, you're just kind of holding it down as you squeegee it. That is it. We're going to grab the rag. It is still wet and drying, so be careful when you're wiping this down, but you can gently go over the surface, get any surface moisture off, move to the others. I would recommend letting this sit for at least 24 hours before taking it through a car wash or washing it yourself, just to avoid any kind of like high pressure water or even air for at least the first 24 hours. And that wraps up this install. Super, super simple. Anybody can do it. And it looks so good. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, visit vinylfoxusa.com. And until next time, keep it stupid simple.